gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down.
I salvaged this mic from electronics and I checked it's working, and let's make a DIY mic for your vlogging setup. Let me desolder these wires first. They come off pretty smoothly. Okay, on the other hand, I have something else. This is a stereo jack I have lying around, and I already used this once. And let me desolder these wires. Maybe just I'll leave it this way and get some wires. Prepare the wire so you can solder it in this manner. Let me place it like this way, but first you have to tint the wire. It's well connected. Let's move on to the second connection. And it's done. Remember, I have connected this left and right channel together with one wire because we have only one mic which has two terminals, positive and negative, you can say that. So that's why I shorted these two wires, left and right channel, and this is a common wire which will goes to the mic. Now these connections are pretty solid. Let's move on to the housing of this mic. So I have this PVC laying around, so I cut it in this manner and made some cutouts in the body on both sides and make it flush, and the bottom side I have closed it and make a drilled a hole with a drill bit. I drilled a hole, and this is pretty much it. This, what will happen, what will I do, that this will goes into this from inside, and this is a really tricky part to do. And it is going to be very tricky. It's pretty aligned with the hole, but I need to push it somehow. It's coming up. It is. Now I have this screw that comes with this audio jack, and I will try to screw it on. No, it needs to come up more. Yes, now it's pretty snugly fit. I have to screw this on. Now it's pretty tight, very well fit, and I have to move this mic inside it and somehow fit everything inside it. But there are a few things that I need to consider. I had this mesh laying around. I cut the few edges from it. And made a circular grill shape so that it will fit inside it this way to filter out the ambient noise. It looks pretty premium, pretty professional. And let me take it out. And the same grill I use it for this cap. This will fit in front as a front grill cover like this. It's black, it's premium, looks premium. And where do I get this piece of plastic? I got this from this. It's a circular shape housing for the electrical wire, and you can connect the pipes like this. You can insert a pipe inside it. So that's how I cut this piece and add a grill in front and super glue it, cut it in a circular shape, and I will fit it in front of it. And then I will connect the wire to the cell phone and see how it will work. So this is how I will fit everything inside it, but I made a little bit longer wire so nothing goes, in order to make some changes I can make it easily. And I have this, so I don't want this mic hanging around and hitting the side of this housing. So I add this foamic piece onto the mic like that, and the same foamic piece I cut another piece of plastic. I cut down another piece of pipe and cut it from one side right here, and cut a chunk of it from the another side, and make it a little bit smaller so it can fit inside this pipe. Let me show you. And I also added this. Let's add the hot glue gun, hot silicone, so that it won't break again. Move on to the next part, which is inside. It looks cool inside it, inserted beautifully. Now I will add this front grill onto the mic. Oh, it's done. It's perfectly snug, and our mic is ready. Now let's test it. I have this cable laying out, which comes with this Boya mic, and I'm going to use it for this DIY mic. There is one thing missing, which is I needed to paint it in a black color. Let's do it some other time, but let me plug this in. Oh, it's fitted very nicely. Now I'm gonna plug this mic, and let's hear from the mic voice from this mic. So let me stop the video.
Hello, hello, mic testing. Hello, hello, mic testing. Hello, 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 mic testing. Hello, hello, mic testing. Hello, hello.